Most organizations are over-licensed for Java and they don't even know it. At Redress Compliance, our Java license optimization service is built to change that. We take the results of your licensing assessment and turn them into real, actionable savings without disrupting your business operations. With experience from over 90 Java optimization projects, we've developed a proven playbook that consistently reduces or even eliminates Oracle Java licensing needs. Here's how we do it. First, we identify where you can safely replace Oracle Java with free open source alternatives without breaking compatibility or compliance. Then we look at your infrastructure and deployment patterns. That means spotting opportunities to consolidate usage, remove duplications, and reconfigure environments to avoid triggering unnecessary license requirements. We also assess whether existing Oracle products like WebLogic or Fusion middleware may already cover some of your Java usage, eliminating the need for separate licenses entirely. The result? Many of our clients reduce their license footprint by 100% or more, completely eliminating Oracle Java costs while maintaining full functionality. No guesswork, no disruption, just smart, strategic optimization that translates into real savings. Bottom line, you don't need to keep paying Oracle for what you don't need. With Redress Compliance, you'll cut your Java costs and stay compliant doing it.